Hello, this is Svetlana Shepitsina, and today we will keep working with Radium. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to manage styles that can be modified by your props or states. In our previous tutorial we created a button. We learned how to apply inline styles with React, how to manage them on different browser states, and how to manage styles on each component button instantiation. And today let's create functionality when we need on hover not only change button color, but also to show button tip, to show another element. So let's add another element to our component button. And I have a shortcut, my tip, and it's going to be just span with style tip, Alt B. They are already ready. You can easily find the shortcut and come back with Ctrl Alt U. And we provide this props tip in order to add any string on button instantiation. And you remember that for button we add this props children, and then with adding button we can also provide any string value. But for tip, like for another element, we add tip save article, for example. And let's come to our browser and check how it works. Here it is, and the only issue, it appears constantly. And we would like implement functionality where it will appear on hover and disappear when we remove our cursor. And for this purpose we have a special method in Radium, and I will apply my magic shortcut. Its method getState. We need to provide three parameters: this state, element key, by which this button will be found by getState method. In React we have possibility to apply different styles to different elements inside one component, but we need to give this attribute key or ref. And we have article button, Alt E, and the state value. We want to appear this element tip on hover. Here it is. Reload. We hover and it works. But what if on button instantiation we didn't provide any tip value? I remove it and let's see what we get. We get this weird design. Why? Because on our styles we applied padding, and we don't have any correct way to apply padding when we add this tip here on parent, since it's part of our button. How can we solve it? We create another style, we name it tip base, and we need to apply this style conditionally. So we need to show padding only if our TPR tip exists. So if this props exists, then add styles and tip base. So it's syntax for applying styles conditionally. And maybe I forgot to remove it from here. I will just comment it. Everything fine. And also we can apply another functionality, so that when we provide this props tip and we tell or and provide default value. Here it is. But now you need to add padding. So If you use this approach, then you can manage padding here and comment here or remove. Here it is, and on button design you will get this tip for each button. And this method getState always returns true or false. And Radium will ignore any element that is false or undefined, so this element tip will appear only when we hover our button. In React, states its data that belongs to component itself. It is private and it can be changed by calling method this setState. With this method, we have possibility to create such functionality on button click when we change position of our button. And when the state updates, the component renders itself. So how we create this functionality? On button fab, we add method increaseCount, and on each button click, we increase count by 1. Also, we defined whether our number is even or odd. And then we apply this method, setState, and don't forget to set initial values for count 0, even true. Then on click, we run this method, increaseCount, and bind this. For styles, if our state is not even, if it's odd, only then apply our styles moved. And we have default styles for button, and we set position absolute and top value, and on each click we just move our button. It's like toggling design. And I reload, get initial values, and that's how it works. So today we learned how to manage styles with Radium in React that can be modified by props or states. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.